Playing Blackout Bingo with real money means a simple mistake can cost you an entry fee, and the easiest way to avoid that is to understand the rules before entering a cash competition. By the end, you'll know the biggest mistakes to avoid with entry fees, withdrawals, gameplay, and account issues. The first mistake is entering a cash game before checking the entry fee and prize structure. Blackout Bingo offers both free and cash competitions, and the amount you can win depends on the specific competition you enter. Check the entry details before confirming the game so you know exactly what you're risking. The second mistake is treating winnings like guaranteed income. Cash competitions are based on your performance against other players, so one successful game doesn't mean the next game will produce the same result. If you're playing for cash, keep your spending separate from money you actually need for everyday expenses. The third mistake is ignoring the free games. Free play gives you a way to learn the game mechanics without putting an entry fee at risk. Use those games to understand how the bingo cards work, how quickly you need to mark numbers, and how scoring affects your results. Another mistake is assuming every account can use cash competitions or withdrawals in exactly the same way. Skills eligibility, location requirements, account verification, and available payment methods can affect access to real money features. If you have a withdrawal problem, don't immediately create another account or start changing account information. Check the account and payment details you originally provided, then contact the appropriate support channel. There's also a gameplay mistake that can be easy to overlook: playing too many competitions simply because you're trying to recover a previous loss. A losing game doesn't make the next game more likely to pay you. Set a spending limit before you start and stick to it. Finally, keep records if you're trying to determine whether Blackout Bingo is actually profitable for you. Track your entry fees, winnings, losses, and withdrawals over time. Your net result gives you a much clearer picture than individual winning screenshots. So the main mistakes are straightforward. Don't enter without checking the fee, don't treat winnings as guaranteed income, use free games to learn, and don't chase losses. Your practical next step is to play free competitions first and check every cash game detail before paying an entry fee. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more straightforward Blackout Bingo guides.